Hello, this is Will from ProBackup, and in this video I will show you how you can backup your monday.com boards. As you can see here, I'm logged into a small demo account of monday.com with just a few boards. And so to get started, you can go to probackup.io and click on Start Now. In this case, I've already created a ProBackup account, so I can just click on Click In to go to my ProBackup account. Once you're logged in, you can click here on New App, and then click on monday.com, which will bring you to the first step of the onboarding process. Now, to get started with your first backup for monday.com, you will first need to install the app, the ProBackup app from the app marketplace. So if you click here, you're redirected to this page where you can click here at the bottom on install to install this app to your monday.com account. But this is just the first step because this doesn't start a backup yet, so then you will have to go back to the onboarding process and click here on Authorize ProBackup. So if you click here, you are redirected again to a page of monday.com, and here you give us permission to access your monday.com data. So if you click on Authorize, then you're going to the second step of the onboarding process where you can choose the scope. So in this case, I just have one workspace in monday.com, but if you have multiple workspaces, then you can choose here to exclude certain workspaces from the backup scope. This is mainly helpful if you, for example, have a private workspace with private information, then you can exclude that workspace here on this step. For now, I'll click on Continue. Then on the third step, you have the option to sync your data backups to your Google Drive folder. So in the first step, we will backup your data to our own servers and store it there with heavy encryption. And you have the option to sync those data backups to your Google Drive folder. If you wish to learn more about this feature, then you can check out our YouTube channel where we have created a video where a bit more in-depth tutorial on this sync to Google Drive feature. For now, I will skip this, which brings me already to the last step of the onboarding process. As you can see, it's a very quick and easy process. All I have to do now is click on Start Backup to start the first initial backup of my monday.com account. And depending on the size of your account, this can take up to a few hours. But once the initial backup has been completed, we will send you an email with some stats and information about your backup. And from that moment on, we will automatically backup your data once every 24 hours. So that means that once you've started your first backup, there's no further action from your required. You don't need to do any further backup configuration or scheduling. From this point on, everything will happen automatically for your account. And as you can see here, I can on these tiles, I can see that the data is already being pulled in as we speak. So it goes pretty quickly, especially if you have a small demo account like mine. So, but once the backup has been completed, you will be able to go to the backups page and view the data that is stored within your account. In this case, already some items have been pulled in, so I can click here on the items, for example, and then click on my first board, for example, where you can see the tasks that are stored in my monday.com account. So that's it for now for the onboarding video. If you wish to learn more about ProBackup, then I recommend to check out our product tour video where we give a bit more information about each of these features and each of these separate parts of our user interface. And with this, we've come to the end of this video. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.